In February 2004, Janet Jackson and Justin Timberlake were performing at the Super Bowl halftime show, and in a stroke of wardrobe malfunction, the chest of Janet Jackson was exposed. It was a viral moment that could not be rewatched in many places. This prompted Stephen Chan, Chad Hurley, and Jawad Karim to create YouTube, which today is worth over $160 billion US. The streaming giant is number one in its field, generating billions and creating millionaires out of ordinary people, and may single-handedly erase cable television in the future. Reaching milestones on YouTube regardless of your intentions is a shared aspiration, and one in particular is reaching the 1,000 subscribers, which is one we recently crossed thanks to all our subscribers near and wide. So with that we ponder, what if you had 1,000 subscribers on YouTube? Does life really change? This is what we'll discuss today on Africa Assemble. By the way, be a friend and subscribe, click the notification button to never miss our videos, and like this video to help us make more content you love about our amazing continent. Let's dive in. Reaching 1,000 subscribers is a milestone that some creators attain quicker than others based on their niche. To achieve this, it's important to upload videos consistently, whether it be daily or weekly. You should also be engaged with your audience and know what it is that they are subscribing to you for. Consistency exposes one to crossing paths with the YouTube algorithm, which may promote a single video that will change the trajectory of your channel. Before you know it, you'll get caught in the YouTube atmosphere, and it could be a good or a bad experience. However, having 1,000 subscribers does not mean you automatically start earning, as you also have to reach 4,000 hours of watch time in a year. This means you either focus on making longer videos, hoping to have engaged viewers, or resort to shorter videos, anticipating your viewers have shorter attention spans. Other ways YouTubers make money without getting paid directly by YouTube would be affiliate marketing, sponsorships, or selling merch. You also hopefully would have developed a tough epidermis, as you will be exposed to insults and criticism you may feel are unfair. Your strategy is another tool to help you achieve 1,000 subscribers. First off, will you be editing your videos, or will you pay others to do it for you? Do you partner with other YouTubers, or... So, I would like to thank every single person watching this video, but more importantly our subscribers. Reaching 1,000 subscribers is a big deal. I cannot imagine myself talking to a room of 1,000 plus people without stuttering, but you guys are awesome. I made this channel to give another perspective on Africa. There are many African channels championing a modern look on Africa, showing how it's not like what others thought of it in the 80s, with every African being a prince. We want to separate ourselves from those types of channels while also highlighting the greatness of Africa. Researching on our topics take time, and editing the videos usually take longer. However, we read every single comment, from the rude to the request, to the positive and the criticism, and it all contributes to the betterment of this channel. I think it's safe to say my accent gives away where I'm from. However, if you'd like to know more about me, comment below, and if there are enough requests, I may as well deliver. If you do not know, we are practically on all social media platforms, but we're trying to figure out how to utilize each one better. We are creating another channel with shorter versions of videos you love, but I'm also considering having a channel that narrates all the greatest movies in the history of African cinema. Let us know which you think would be better. And finally, if you have made it this far in the video, you are awesome. If you are a new subscriber, let us welcome you. Say hello in the comments below and we'll respond to you, and maybe have a little dialogue going on. Here's to a great friendship. Even if you're not a new subscriber and you've been with us for over a year, just say hello in the comments and we'll get back to you. Now we turn the question to you. What video would you like to see next? Share this with a friend and drop a comment if you disagree or would like to request a video. Till then, brothers and sisters, have an awesome day.